With the Galaxy S26 Ultra, Samsung is bringing back a feature we thought was gone for good. Plus, there are three more big updates about the phone, so let's get into it. After being introduced briefly in the Galaxy S9, the S26 Ultra is bringing back variable camera aperture with a smooth, continuous adjustment, like a real camera. This feature improves your phone's ability to handle different lighting conditions, adjusting the amount of light entering the camera lens for clearer and more professional-looking photos and videos. It's especially useful for low-light situations and bright daylight, giving you better focus and depth of field control. Now, Samsung has confirmed that the S Pen will continue to be included with the S26 Ultra. While it's unclear whether the Bluetooth functionality will be restored, the stylus will still be a part of the device. Now, moving on, South Korean reports suggest the S26 Ultra will feature a brand new OLED panel. The S26 Ultra is set to feature a new OLED display with COE customer on eye technology. This should bring a major boost to brightness levels, over 3000 nits, and battery efficiency, offering a brighter screen while consuming less power. And the S26 Ultra is rumored to come with an improved telephoto camera and a better battery, further enhancing the overall camera experience and device longevity. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.